Hello everyone, we're going to talk about Tune Recipe by semi-auto at current fab. First, talking about 50% automatic fab is a low-end fab. Process engineer got dummy wafer and execute process with specific equipment and recipe, as you know. Then operate equipment by process itself manually or operator manually. Then inspect by measurement equipment and including the visual check if necessary manually by operator or process engineer. Finally, process engineer judge result and edit recipe depending on the result manually. Then repeat above action again. This is the traditional semi-auto way. About 90% automatic fab. More advanced fab. Process engineer applicate dummy wafer and assign specific equipment and recipe to run by CIN system. And the CIN system arrange it with product department agreeing. Then going to run. Followed process engineers assign. The result inspected by also the same major tool equipment and visual check if necessary to let process engineer judge. Now you can see that inspected by major tool automatically run to produce the result is okay, but visual check and the process engineer to judge, then to edit the recipe manually, not automatically, still costing time. So finally, cannot let cost much time to repeat tuning work due to semi-auto flow. It costs too much time. If you cost too much time with semiconductor industry, that means that you cannot catch your competition company. Why cost so much time? Result of major tool, even result of visual inspection cannot judge the result. It's still judged by the human being process engineer, even the process integrate engineer. So cannot judge the result automatically, costs too much time. And process engineer manpower cannot execute the edit recipe and judge this result continuously for 24 hours. because mankind cannot work without sleeping. It costs too much time. Okay, let's all see you next time.